These are all the cars come to die. Here to pick up some parts for the Cavalier today. Here come to get a Cavalier camshaft positioning sensor, a starter, and a water temperature sensor. And who knows what else. Found one with a good starter. This one should be easy to pull off. Car's already lifted up. Got the starter off. A few other things too. Got some bad news though. Can't get the camshaft positioning sensor off. It's under the car. Right. I apologize for not getting so much footage at the auto wreckers. My battery died on my camera. Looks like she's all done. Now here's the crappy thing about buying parts from the scrap dealer or the wreckers. You don't know if they work or not. I mean, yeah, you might get one hell of a deal. Like this starter brand new was $210 and I looked at Parts Source and they only charged me $25 for the one that I got here. Here goes the real test. Is it actually gonna work? Well, I'm about to find out. I don't feel like spending $200 on a new one, so let's hope this works. Here we go. Haha. Whoops. Not bad. Well, that's a job well done. I'm a happy camper now. I just saved $150. Seems to be running fine. It's just the ticking in the front. And I'm going to replace those lifters, so it'll be you'll be able to hear a pin drop. That muffler I got to get fixed too. And it should be running just as good as it was when it was brand new. Awesome. Cool. Here's a common problem that a lot of older or high miles vehicles have. It's called valve tick, and you get that really annoying metal sound ticking or like pinging or making a very annoying sound, and you know, it kind of drives you nuts. Or if you're looking to sell your car soon and you don't want to have it sound like it's going to be a motor that's about to blow up on someone, which kind of is my problem. So I'm going to show you a redneck solution to fix this. And when I say redneck, I mean redneck. Check this out. Okay, well, here's my very loose lifter, or what do you want to call it? And that's a lot of play. I'm too lazy to rip apart this whole assembly. In other words, take the head off and replace that piece that's way down there. So if you're too lazy to do that and you're about to sell the car soon, or you just want it to quiet down, you know, because it's better than doing nothing, reach into your bag of bolts or nuts and pick out a washer that'll fit over that little circle right there on the top. Well, in some cases, the washers will do a mighty damn good job, but because this one is so bad, I had to use this. Got it all nice and installed now. It's nice and tight. A little bit of side to side is okay, but the up and down is what I don't want. And that's all fixed. But you know what? It's better than nothing, so time to throw it all back together and then we'll give it a try. Well, I fixed the lifters. Now they're a little... Now they got no play, but it's still ticking or knocking or something. I don't know. I think it's something in the bottom end. Damn it. That pisses me off. Seems to be running better. Shit. Oh well, drive it till it dies, I guess.